Hi, my name is Amber Vinsbox, and I am the president and co-founder of LTK. My job changes every single day, but Baxter likes to call me the Chief Creator Officer. I always knew I wanted to work in the fashion industry, so I tried everything. From being a shop girl, to being trained in PR, to living in LA as a stylist, working in New York and the wholesale side of the business. I had a jewelry line, a blog, and most recently, I am the founder of LTK. I feel empowered as a female founder because I am solving a problem for other females. And I just don't think that that's something that you can do unless you have this life experience that I've had and this professional experience that I've had. And I think it's a huge piece of the secret sauce here at LTK and how we're able to create a platform that makes so many women worldwide economically successful. When I'm mentoring other women, I give them 4 tips to win in any room. The first is show up prepared. Know your information, have done the pre-read or have shared the pre-read so that everyone can come in on the same page. The second thing is speak in really concise terms. Know exactly what you are needing to say and communicate and find the shortest way to say that thing. Third, be confident in your answer and in your perspective, but have the humility to be wrong. And fourth, assume that every problem is your own and take it on and solve it. By the time someone is hired or promoted into a role, it's because they're already doing that role. So start doing the role that you want.